Carl, what's up, baby brother?
What's happening?
Peep this. Tenpenny just came by. Said that one of them ballers that you and Smoke laid out, Lil Weasel, is getting buried and all the OGs gonna be there.
At a funeral?
Yeah, we just catch all those ball sack ass niggas at one time.
Hey, what up? What's going on, dog?
At a funeral.
Just like mamas.
What up, family?
Let's go pop these motherfuckers
What's up,
out.
man? What's cracking?
Hey, look, we gotta go do something real
What's
big.
poppin', nigga? What up, kinfolk?
Put Grove
What up,
Street on the
dog?
map for good. For life.
All right, nigga.
Grove Street for
Let's
life.
roll.
We gonna need some allies.
Daddy we gon' roll, homie, or what? We got some work to put in. You down? I'm down.
We're on the
rolling
John
shotgun?
tonight.
We go around back a left supper cross and sneak over the wall.
Kane, ain't that cat front yard royalty?
Yeah, so if there's a hint of trouble, he's a no-show.
I need to find out what year.
Florida fucker!
CJ, I'm gonna give you a left. What I hit him.
Drive, dog, drive!
This is the police.
Get your stupid ass moving. Man, I'm losing my patience.
Okay, I busted in. Come on.
Get in, guys. Get in.
There's a baller's car coming to bail out Kane.
Who rolling shotgun?
Smash, CJ, smash. We gotta catch him before he reaches front yard set.
Not down.
Get me close, CJ. Keep it steady.